Hi friends, today we will discuss about the diborane structure, preparation and properties. First, the diborane is defined as a chemical compound which consists of boron and hydrogen. The chemical formula of diborane is B2H6. It is a colorless and repulsively a sweet odor. When we come to the structure of diborane, we had first, we have to know the chemical formula of diborane. It is B2H6. The atomic number of boron is 5. So, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 in the ground state. So, when we supply energy, it is excited to the higher energy level. So, the electron is transferred from 2s1 to 2p2. So, we has 3 valency electrons in the boron atom. So, the boron can form 3 bonds with the another atoms. So, it in B2H6, the boron form 3 bonds with the 3 hydrogen. When we come to the structure, it has 2 boron atoms, 4 terminal hydrogen atoms and 2 bridged hydrogen atoms. And we have 2 boron atoms that is lying on the same plane. Above and below the plane, there are 2 bridged hydrogen atoms. 4 terminal hydrogen atoms are 2 centered 2 electron bonds, while the 4 hydrogen, that is BH bonds, are regular 2 centered 2 electron bonds, while the 2 bridged BHP bonds are 3 carbon 2 electron bonds. The angle between BH, that is boron, and the terminal hydrogen atom is 120 degrees, and the angle between the boron and the bridged hydrogens are 97 degrees. When we come to the preparation of diborane, it is prepared by 4 methods. That is, the first method is it can be prepared by treating the boron trifluoride with lithium aluminum hydrate. The diborane can be obtained. And second method, by the lab preparation. It means by the oxidation of sodium borohydrate with the iodine, the diborane can be prepared. And the third method is industrial scale. That means the reaction of boron trifluoride with sodium hydrate at a temperature of 450 Kelvin, the diborane can be prepared. And the last method is electric discharge method. That is boron trichloride on reaction with the hydrogen in the presence of silent electric discharge tube, the diborane can be prepared. When we come to the properties of diborane, as we all know, the diborane is a highly reactive towards air, so it catches fire spontaneously. When upon exposure to the air, it burns in oxygen and releasing an enormous amount of the energy. The diborane and the higher boranes are readily hydrolyzed to give the boric acid. While on reacting with the diborane with the Lewis base, it forms a cleavage reaction to form the boron adducts. As we all know that the Lewis base is an electron pair donor. The last one is the reaction with olefins. The diborane reacts with olefins in the presence of ether at the temperature of 0 to 25 degrees to form trialkyl boranes. The important property of the diborane is the reaction of with ammonia at the low and higher temperature. When the diborane react with excess of the ammonia at minus 150 degrees Kelvin, it forms the ammoniate of diborane. It is a white non-volatile and soluble in water. At a higher temperature, when diborane reacts with excess of the ammonia, it forms the boron nitride. And uses of diborane. It is used as a catalyst and rubber vulcanizer in polymerization reaction. Used in manufacture of borophosphosilicate form of glasses. The most of the chemical reaction it is used as a reducing agent. It is used as a dropping agent in the manufacturing of semiconductor devices.